Okay, 24 past, federal judge lashing out at a State Department attorney over a 4-year delay in complying with a request for some of Hillary Clinton's personal records from her time at the Department of State. Congressman Jim Jordan, Republican from Ohio, member of the Benghazi Select Committee, with us in studio here, and welcome back to New York.
Be with you, Bill.
You've had a standing subpoena for 2 years for some of the similar documents. So here's the deal. The U.S. District Court Judge Richard Leon, do you know him?
I do not know personally. No.
Apparently he's pretty ticked off.
Yeah, he's fed up.
Now he is now demanding that he gets these documents. Here's what he says. I want to find out what's been going on over there. I should say what's not been going on over there. The State Department, for reasons known only to itself, has been, to say the least, recalcitrant in responding.
Yeah.
Your response.
Spot on. I mean, we've had a subpoena for 2 years. This is not the first federal judge who's waiting on getting documents to the appropriate people. This is a FOIA request from the AP, but we've had a subpoena for 2 years for the Select Committee, and they continue to drag their feet. We've only got about 20% of the key documents from the key people, 7th floor people at the State Department, people like Hillary Clinton, Cheryl Mills, her chief of staff, Huma Abedin, Jake Sullivan, the key people. We need that documents to get to the truth for the American people and, of course, most importantly, for the 4 families.
What is in the documents?
Who knows? They drag their feet getting them. Some of them we have received. There's some good information there, and at the appropriate time we'll bring that information out. We'll use that when we actually depose these individuals, which is why you want the information before you actually do the depositions. But it's just, this is the norm for this administration. Remember the key person at the State Department, a lady named Kate Duvall. Before she was at the State Department, she was at the Internal Revenue Service. Kate Duvall was the chief counsel when last year 422 tapes, Chief Counsel to Koskinen, the IRS commissioner, Chief Counsel when 422 backup tapes were destroyed at the IRS containing potentially 24,000 emails. Now Kate Duvall now conveniently is over at the State Department, and guess what her job is, Bill? Document production. She's the lady in charge of complying with document production. So that should tell us something. When that key individual was there at the IRS, when that scandal was unfolding and we were trying to get the documents specifically from Lois Lerner, 422 tapes were destroyed. Now she's at State Department. We've got a judge saying, give us the documents. We've had a 2-year subpoena.
4 years now, okay? This is Associated Press, Politico, Judicial Watch filed as well, and they seem to get some success. The judge called it convoluted gobbledygook.
Yeah.
It is now demanding these documents within a week.
Yeah, that's right.
Will it happen?
Well, when the federal, I mean, I tell you what, the courts have been helpful in all these FOIA requests and all the times that we've been trying to get information. It's been some outside group that comes in and demands it and asks in a FOIA, goes to the judge says, get them there. I think it's a good thing. Let's see, but they better comply with the court. If they don't, they're in trouble.
We'll see you then.
All right, thanks.
Thank you, sir. Good to have you. Jim Jordan, the Republican from Ohio, here in New York. Thanks.